What's up, baby girl? I'm about to take you on a lawnmower ride. Here you are. Yeah. There we go. John Deere. Yeah, I got John Deere. So yeah, that's just how we do it. That's right. That's right. Boom! Boom! Yeah, boss. So yeah, I got these nice outbuildings here. And then this is turning out pretty well. Yeah. My wire stripping station. Oh yes. And yeah, as you can see, I got a lot of mowing and weeding and all that kind of thing to do. But this is probably one of my favorite parts of this whole thing are these bays here. And you can see I'm in the process of planning out how to finish one of these out so that I can host somebody to live here. I'm gonna probably get like one person that's gonna be living on here rent free, and what they're just gonna be doing is like an hour or two of labor a day on different farm related things. But yeah, this is just so much junk. Need to organize, but I end up getting a lot more junk than I have the time to properly assimilate. But yeah, so you can see here we got peaches and some type of orange tree. Then of course we have over here maybe limes, not quite sure. We got figs. Kumquat. Bunch of different fruit trees here. Now I am gonna have to kind of mow and cut over here today, but I'm starting also some sort of a basic chicken coop. I'll probably put it in here and fence off this orchard so that the birds have somewhere to run around. Yeah, it should be pretty good. Okay. I'll show you the inside on another occasion, but for now, yeah, it's my little garage with my pressure wash gear. And I do like how much cement there is here, so you can park all over. Yeah, that's the basics of it.